This is Scotland's favourite chicken tikka masala, and I'm going to show you how you can make it at home. Hi guys, hope you're well. This is Chef Ajay and welcome back to my kitchen where I'm cooking Britain's national dish, chicken tikka masala. Masala is one of my favourite dishes and it is full of fresh flavours like ginger, garlic, garam masala, and if you hang on with me till the end of the video, I'm going to make sure that you are able to cook this dish at home just the way I cook with simple instructions. Full list of ingredients and method, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Start with marinating your chicken for tikka masala, and for that we'll make a quick marinade. In a mixing bowl, add ginger garlic paste, yogurt, turmeric powder, chilli powder, garam masala and coriander powder and mix it well. Now add some salt and vegetable oil and give it another mix. And to this add your diced chicken and coat it with marinade. Leave it to rest for 2 hours if you can. Now spread your marinated chicken on a baking tray and avoid overcrowding it, and put it into oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now in a heavy bottom pan, add some oil and add cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves and green cardamoms and fry them on a gentle flame for 2 minutes. Infuse oil with the flavors. Be careful not to burn them or you will ruin your curry. Now add some finely chopped onions and fry them on a high heat for 4 to 5 minutes, and then put the heat down and let the onions fry on a low heat for 10 minutes until they get browned. You can sprinkle some salt to help onions cook faster. Browning onion takes a little longer, but that's the secret for cooking any cracking curry. My onions are nicely browned and it has taken me 10 to 12 minutes. Are browned, add ginger garlic paste and cook it until the raw flavors of ginger and garlic are gone. Now add turmeric powder, coriander powder, chilli powder and garam masala and give it a quick mix and fry them for 30 seconds. Make sure that you put your heat down to avoid any burning. A splash of water. This will help to avoid burning of spices. Now put the heat back up to medium and add finely chopped tomatoes. And fry them until they are softened or completely disappear. Keep mashing and stirring tomatoes to help them cook faster. You can tell the onions and tomatoes are nicely fried when you see the oil coming on the surface. It took me 10 minutes, but you can always take your time. Once tomatoes have almost disappeared, add a half a cup of water and mix everything together. Now put the heat low again and add yogurt and keep stirring for 5 minutes on a low heat. It's important that you put your heat low or your yogurt might split. Now add your chicken tikka into your curry base and add half a cup of water and cover it and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Now you uncover it and you have your curry almost ready. And all we need to do is to add that crunch of onions and peppers in it. And for that, heat up a pan on a high heat and drop your diced peppers and onions and give them a quick toss. Keep them stirring and sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. This will help draw moisture out of them and help them get crispier on the outside and juicier in the inside. So once they are scorched, put them into your curry and give a nice stir, and you have a restaurant quality chicken tikka masala at your house. This chicken tikka masala is an absolute winner. There's no cream, there's no butter, and it's packed with lots of fresh flavors. At the end of it, add some chopped coriander and enjoy your chicken tikka masala with your friends and family. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you loved watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you there.